Well, in this video, I want to demonstrate how you can use the Excel to solving your optimization problems. And so when you starting use Excel, make sure under the Data tab, you are able to see Solver. Otherwise, you need to add on to your Excel. How you can add on your Solver to your Excel? So first of all, if you click a Data tab, like you can see on my end, on the right-hand side, I have nothing because I haven't added on the Solver yet. So to add on the Solver, click the File, and then go down here called Option. And then after that, we are going to click Add-ins. And then once you click Add-in on the bottom, it's on Managing Excel Add-in, and then click Go. Okay, what you need to do, you need to check this two box. So once you check this two box, click OK. It takes a bit of time. As you see, we are able to see Solver. Okay, hope this video is helpful to help you to understand where to find the solver.